Hey folks, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin here. Hey, this video is titled, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? So listen, I'm getting ready to show you how to get paid by liking YouTube videos, okay? Here's the site right here, boom, okay? Here's the site right here, and all you need is a PayPal account. This is my account, right? And all you need is a PayPal account. And all you do is this, it's very simple here, okay? All these different tasks or jobs or things that you can do and get paid, okay? If you look here, it says most paying. So this is what you want to do because you want to make the most money, right? So what you do is you go to the website here, you click on the word most paying. It's going to do its little search here. We have a job here that was pay us $2 for 10 minutes of work. So let's click on it. Let's see what we have to do. Okay. So if I click on the link here, it tells you exactly what you got to do, what is expected from the workers, right? Now this job here is, let me see if you're in United States of America. This is only for USA. But listen, they have international as well. I'm going to show you one offer for United States of America. See, you can accept this job if you are from these countries. Listen, anybody can do this. Young people can do this. Older people, people that are home most of the time. Maybe you're not working a job. This works for you. Disclaimer, this will not make you rich, but it will put some gas in your tank. It will put some food on your table during the rough time we're having right now with the coronavirus. That's the reason why I create these videos. It's the reason why people like my videos, because I'm giving free value to you right now in these videos to help you make some money and understand that the internet is the new ATM machine, okay? If you put the right information in the internet, it will pay you tons of money, okay? So it's very simple here. You just read this, okay? And then you send a screenshot of the thank you page, right? You put the screenshot here, and then they pay you. It's just that easy. Look, let me go back. Look, here's the international one. Let's click on it. This is for anybody outside the United States of America can do this. And they're going to pay you $1.35 for 5 minutes, right, of work. And all you're doing is, look, they said visit this link, select affiliates from the backpack drop-down menu. So they basically, these are like tasks that they want you to do on the computer, on the internet. A lot of you spend a lot of hours on the internet typing in things like how to make money now, how to make money fast. Wesley, how do I make money? Because I like your videos, but how do I make money right now? Instead of doing that, you can go to this site right here and just make money by doing tasks, okay? And if you wait till the very end of this video, I'm gonna give you a cool, faster way to make more money on autopilot. That's cool, okay? Just stay and watch to the very end. But as you can see here, this international, they paying $1, $2 here. And let's do the math. Okay, so think about it. If you get a gig and it's gonna pay you $2 for 10 minutes of work, that's 60 minutes is about $12. So that's $12 an hour, right? $12 an hour just by staying on the computer and just doing these tasks here. All right. I know a ton of people that do this. I know a ton of young people, like teenagers. It's very popular with teenagers because teenagers are broke. Like my teenagers, they don't have money, right? They keep asking me for money. So I share sites like this. You can do taskers and they will pay you. Now, listen, let me show you the like video. So you type in YouTube right here. Let me show you how they pay you just to like YouTube videos. See? You type in YouTube here, okay? See this right here? They're going to pay you 20 cents here, 18 cents, 16 cents. And listen, this stuff adds up, by the way, okay? This adds up. Listen, I have over 15 streams of income online. All right, it's because I go to sites like these, even though it's little money. But listen, if I could bring in $1,000 to $2,000 a month, guess what? That's a car note, right? On a nice Lamborghini. Make sense? So what I'm saying, everything counts. Everything. All the money that you're making or trying to make online, every cent counts. Does that make sense? 20 cents for 2 minutes of work. Who can't beat that? Hey, Marissa, Jocelyn, Troy. Does that make sense, folks? Okay? So, you may say, Wesley, what's the name of the site? I'm going to tell you right now. This is the name of the site, Rapid Workers, okay? Rapid Workers. Go to rapidworkers.com, okay? Rapid Workers, and just sign. It's free, okay? And listen, I'm embarrassed to say this, but in the past, I did a lot of this stuff. And I'm not embarrassed to say that. I needed money, okay? And I was trying to learn how to be a digital marketer. I was trying to learn how to create a product, right? I was spending a lot of money on seminars, a lot of books. And until I learned how to create a product to make millions of dollars, I went to sites like this, to make an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month to pay the rent. Does that make sense? Okay? Now listen, if you're looking to create a product, if you want me to show you how to create a product very quickly, fast, and make tons of money, I'll leave a link in the description below. You don't have to click that link. It's just extra help if you need it. But to be honest with you, right now you can go to rapidworkers.com, get a free account, and just start registering for jobs. I mean, these are tasks. Like you automatically just get it. You don't have to look. If I click on this here, look. This is USA only. You can't use a VPN, so don't do that because they will shut you down. Look at this. Search on YouTube for these key terms. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Look at that. Watch 7 to 9 minutes of the video. Positive comment only. Like the video. You see that? And then when you do it, you just put the screenshot here. So you don't have to apply for anything. You just do it. You do the task. You follow the instructions. You got to make sure you follow the instructions. And you put your result here. You hit confirm. I have just followed the instructions and completed this task. And they pay you. And all you need is a PayPal account. Does that make sense? Can somebody please type rapidworkers.com? Listen, if I deserve a like and a share, go ahead and like and share and sub to my channel right now. All right? Listen. The more you like, the more you sub, the more you share these videos, then guess what? I'll create more. Listen, it is thousands, if not hundreds of thousands away in websites that you're not aware of. I've been in this industry for 10 years. I failed for 7 years. In the past 6 years, I made over $40 million doing stuff like this, creating products. Listen, it changed my family's life. Okay? It changed my family's life. Imagine if you could create a product and focus on it for the next 60 days. And after you finish creating that product, you'll make $50,000 because you follow step by step with a program or a system that shows you how to do it. I have a system like that. Listen, you don't have to get it. I'm just putting it on the table for you, okay? To be honest with you, I do suggest people to use sites like this until they understand how to do it, unless you're ready to take a leap of faith. And let me give you some online help. And I have one of the best systems on the planet. And I know I'm partial to Wesley Virgin because I've helped a lot of people make a ton of money as a newbie. I'll leave a link below in the description right under this video. You can click it or just go to rapidworkers.com and start doing tasks right now. Now, here's the bonus. How many of you want the bonus? If I deserve a like, a sub, and a share because I gave you some value. Listen, I could have easily charged for this video. I know internet marketers right now, sites like this, they put inside their programs and they charge you thousands of dollars to get access to something that's free. That's wrong. Okay? Listen, you don't know what you don't know. That's why I'm here to expose what you can do to make some change, some money, right? Until you figure out how to create your own product. Listen, you can, in the link below, that program shows you step by step how to create any product, a digital product from scratch and start making money. But until you make the money, you can use sites like this that's going to pay you to do tasks around the internet. Now, let me show you what you can do, okay? Let me show you what you can do to get other people to do the work. Where are we going? You know where we're going. We're going to Fiverr.com, right? You find somebody on Fiverr, or you can go to elance.com, odesk.com. So basically, you go to a site like this, you go to Fiverr.com, and you go to elance.com. Let me show you something here. This is when it's called outsourcing, okay? Outsourcing is the name of the game, all right? If you're not outsourcing with your business, and you have a legitimate business, you're actually making money, to me, you're leaving tons of money on the table, and you're probably that person that's locked up in your room on your laptop all day, not making any money. Listen, smart people, we outsource, we delegate, okay? So you can go to Upwork, right? Elance.com. Hire a person to basically do this stuff for you. Make sense? The thing is, in some countries, they can't accept PayPal, right? So you get them to do it for you. It'd be better to find somebody in the United States of America that you can maybe hire as an intern and have them do it for you. Have your kid, your teenager, punish them and say, hey, I want you to go to this site here and I want you to sign up and I want you to do all these tasks until we see at least $100, right? That's cruel, right? But it's great. Listen, punish your kids like this, right? Make them do all these tasks, punish them for 1 month, and they got to do all these tasks until you see $100 deposit every single day. That's a lot of tasks. But I promise you, they will obey you, okay? And not just that, now they'll start doing it as well because they'll figure out that you're making money by making them do all these tasks here, okay? So any questions for me? You can go to Fiverr.com, elance.com. You can hire people to do it for you, or you can just do it for yourself. And remember, always click on the most paid out. It's a legitimate company. They do pay you. They paid me a ton of money like 5 years ago. And I thought I would pull this out of my treasure chest of online money-making opportunities and give them to you. So listen, always put your state or your province or where you live on the planet in the comment section below so I can create more videos that meet and align with the country that you're living in to make sure that you can benefit as well. This is not just for United States of America, it's for international folks. But listen, the more that you like, sub, okay, share the video, I will create more videos that United States of America, Canada, and anything international you'll be able to do as well. Is that cool? Now, if I deserve a like and a share, would you kindly do that for me, okay? Can you guys do that, please? You guys want to see my channel? And look, this is what I want for you. See this right here? This is daily money here. And in the link below, only because I took a leap of faith, now I'm making this type of money. This is one company. I have 15 companies just like this. Some companies make more, some companies make less. But the money comes in every day. I teach people how to do that every single day. But I decided to give free content to you to let you know that, yes, the internet is real. And yes, they will actually pay you. Okay, they will pay you every single week. But if you want me to show you how to make more money by creating a product, in the description, there's a link that says online-help. Click on it and let's get started. And let me show you how it's done. And for everybody that wants to know what my YouTube channel, if you want to subscribe to get more videos, turn on your notifications. You don't want to miss a beat. I try to do these videos as much as humanly possible. This is me, Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. Type in Wesley Virgin, sub, and like the video. And I'll see you soon. This is Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. Much love. Let's go. Later, folks.